Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-5 key battery. This simple do-it-yourself task can be completed in just a few minutes. First, gather your materials: a fresh CR2032 lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. To protect your key fob from any marks, it is a good idea to wrap the screwdriver tip with a bit of tape. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and easy. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the back and sliding out the auxiliary metal key. With the key removed, you will see a small notch inside the key slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this notch. Gently twist the tool to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the small, round battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver or even a fingernail to gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the slot, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear or feel a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Don't forget to slide the auxiliary metal key back into its designated slot. Once everything is back together, test your key fob to confirm that all functions are working properly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.